You will have no friends, no family people, no neighbors, no spouse, no partner. You will not feel like the same like before in this cocoon phase or in this transformation phase, because everything is actually evolving into a new reality. Everything is changing. And the weird part is you have to see the scariest part of your life, where you will see only yourself, no other than nobody else. Namo Himalaya. I am Priya, your mindset transformation and manifestation coach. Today I am going to deep dive into a little bit about why you have no friends in the spiritual awakening journey, why you are feeling loneliness in the spiritual awakening journey. We are going to deep dive into it. But when I am going to break it down, I have figured out, I would suggest three reasons, the three perfect reasons why exactly it is happening. And just comment me below which part of the world you are tuning from if you are facing such challenge, because this is a transformation journey. And when you are commenting below, somebody also comes and visit this video, they see like they are not feeling alone, you are there. So we all are here to evolve each other, help each other. So just comment me below if you are facing such challenge, or even though you are not feeling, just comment me below which part of the world you are tuning from and what are the things going on in your life. So three reasons why you have no friends in this spiritual awakening journey or transformation. Because in if you ask me what is spiritual awakening is nothing but the soul's growth, the soul's ascension towards the higher consciousness. So what happens when a person goes through a transformation? It has to evolve, it has to drop all the past pattern, past thoughts, past behavior, past people, past everything. It's like the snake sometimes, it drops its outer coat, and when it is evolving into a newer coat, once it's done, it just goes out with its new coat. Similarly, this spiritual awakening stage is also similarly, a person has to drop everything back behind and to find a new reality. When it comes and covers with all the new armors, and it's again starts and stand like a warrior, like a phoenix. So this is all keeps meaning. Three reasons why you have no friends, that I'm going to deep dive into it. Make sure that you are watching the whole video until the end. The first reason why you have no friends in spiritual awakening journey or this transformation journey is universe always helps you. Universe always works for you. When universe never works against you. If some person is facing such challenge or something, uh, bad things or something weird things or unfavorable situation, make sure that coin has always two sides. If the first part it is showing, it is very pathetic, it is very challenging, but you must know the other side of it has a best part. Means world is always playing with duality. We are all are playing with the duality, positive and negative. That's how is the balance. Universe always wants balance. So something is universe is taking away from you or you are losing, means make sure that universe actually creating a space inside you, creating a space in your life, a new space, because you are so much full, your cup is full. Even the universe will just pour more and more, so it will flush out, it will not work for you. So universe has to take away something from your life to create a space for the new things to let in your life. So it's a very good sign. If you are facing like, okay, why you have no friends, you are feeling loneliness, people are falling apart, then this is a good sign. You don't have to feel bad. You must feel like, okay, universe is working for me. Be grateful for that. Maybe those people are not resonating you. Maybe the thought pattern is not resonating with you. Something, the vibration, frequencies, everything is changing. You are ascending. You are ascending means you are growing. So when you are growing, of course, your vibrational frequency is changing. So universe is just taking away some people or some friends or some neighbors, whatever, whoever. It will take away from your life. So it's a good sign. Second sign why you have no friends in spiritual awakening journey. Spiritual awakening, spiritual is all about freedom of a soul. Spirituality is freedom of a soul. So when your soul wants freedom, that means it doesn't have to attach with anything. It wants solitude. It wants the wholeness. So wholeness, how it starts? Wholeness starts within, inside of you. Your emotions, your old patterns, old traumas and pains, past pains, everything is actually releasing in this time, in this transition period. So people will not be there. It's okay if they are not there, because this is your time. This is your time, your own time, your own power. Time is the greatest asset in this world, in this universe. Everyone is just a servant of the time. So when you have this time of now moment, solitude moment, only your time, you do whatever you want. You have no friends, that's okay. Can you be your friend? Can you be yourself or your own friend? Like, talk to yourself. Think of yourself, what you are feeling. Feel what you are feeling. Cry out. Just release all the things. Release all the people. Release all the bad things. Release all the emotional things. Because universe wants you to be clear and painless, and just universe wants you to be a new vessel. Universe wants you to be a bigger vessel, a bigger container. Full means no container, lot of space. So it's the time to create your own space. So this is a sign why you have no friends. Third sign why you have no friends, the most important one. You are evolving, your soul is growing very fastest way. Because spiritual awakening and this transformation phase is very fast process, and also little longer. Fast process means I'm not talking about days or times. I'm talking about the evolution of the thought pattern, reality. Your consciousness, your level of consciousness, your level of awareness is increasing. So when your awareness is increasing, everything around you is also increasing. So when everything is increasing, how your surround will just be still. So you are growing. That means the people who are here, they are there. Their awareness is not increasing, but you are increasing, right? So when you are going, so of course the upper level people will come into your life, right? The another stage of people will come into your life. New vibrational people, new frequency level of people, where you will actually feel like home. So it's okay if it takes little bit time, because nothing can be built under night, right? So it takes time. Like for me, In my journey, it took almost 3 to 4 months. Then slowly it started evolving. I got new friends, new level of awareness of people in my life. Before awakening journey, I had good friends, but after awakening, during awakening, I didn't feel like to be with them anymore because our thought patterns were completely changed. I was feeling weird when I was listening to them. And if you are facing such kind of challenge, you are feeling so much loneliness, so much fearful or something, then make yourself to hire a mentor or join some programs or some better spiritual awakening. There are so many communities. Join with them, talk to them, because you will feel like home. Home means you will face, you will see similar people, similar thought patterns, so you will not feel like you are not going crazy. You are not going crazy, you are evolving into new, and you are a chosen one. So these are the three reasons why you have no friends. I have already revealed in, it was resonating me. If something is different from your side, please comment below. It will be also helpful for others. And thank you for watching my video, and see you our next video, next upcoming video. If you found some informative from this video, then please subscribe my channel, and hit the like button and bell button for upcoming notifications. Namo Himalaya.